waiting for it to pull back so I can enter. I'm trading for what percentage it presents. So I'm gonna wait. I can see I entered when it was pulled back. I was waiting though. Okay, you can see my trade has pulled through. So I just made $8.96. Okay, I actually wanted to make a withdrawal. I was on the verge of making withdrawals. Okay, so that means I can get to increase my withdrawal to like 110. I like to leave 100 units, $100. Okay, that's my stake for the next trade. Okay, so I'll say 110.58. Now I make withdrawals once I make profits. I always like making the withdrawal. There is a simple reason for it. You learn to grow your account. Okay, you learn to grow your account. So I'm going to be pausing right here, and then when my order, okay, you'll see my order here. You can see my order here. This is my order here, TMNmedia. Okay, I'm selling 110. So once it's being fulfilled, fast forward to that. Okay, while my order is on, I'd like to show you the profit table. Remember, I just started a new process, and you see the reason why I didn't trade for 10% today was because my signals are not yet exactly where I want them to be for me to trade. While they were on that level, I was busy sleeping. Okay, so and for it to get to that level again, it's going to be later in the day. So, and I know you'll see the same set of kind of signals I provide on my app. Those are the ones I traded this morning. Okay, so I've made, if I look at it, this will be like $17. Okay, not up to $20. It doesn't matter if you didn't meet the target, as long as you are profitable. Let's see. Maybe I should complete the video once they complete this guy. I can see other people selling lower, so to be honest, I don't think it's gonna come early. Okay, whichever way it is, I'm going to let you know. Okay, so it's a new month, and because I've paused copy trading, this is exactly what I want copy trader to be doing. Okay, can you see that I think I've been paid? Okay, I've been paid my withdrawals. That's 62,788, and I've been credited 62,788. Okay, so now that I've been paid, I think I can go and release. Then I'll come back to the one I was trying to show you before and explain this to you guys. Okay, all I need to do is come here, confirm payment, and 62,787. Okay, I can see 788. So I've released that payment. Now, to be true. Okay, so you can see I've concluded my transaction and I've made my withdrawals. Okay, I've made my withdrawals. Now I still have $100 to continue trading. Now I need to let you understand one thing. I'm trading the plan. There is a plan on ground. There is a expected target. I believe I've shown you before. This is the plan. So this is what I'm trading. Every week I'm supposed to get $100. $100. Over $100. Okay. Now I'm also trying to do this for the copy trader. So that's why I'm ensuring that I am following the process. So actually, in real sense, I have done about 3 days or 4 days, but I started recording in the book right now from 21st. Okay, so from 28, we made $21. Today, $17.9, almost $18, right? Total, that's $38. Now, this is the same way I'm going to be trading the copy trader. But you see, you as an individual, you want to trade, you want to learn, you need to practice first with small. Learn the process. There is a process. And when you learn and master the process, you can successfully run a month without even you losing. You can see I already have the dates I'm going to be trading. I know the days I'm going to be trading. Now, personally, I can trade for this whole month, even in a single day. But I don't do that because I'm building a momentum. That's the mistake a lot of people do. They want to finish everything at once. And at the end of the day, when they now experience losses, they cannot tolerate or accept that they have made an error. So they will want to revenge back on the market. And as a result, they continue. You can see I'm only focusing on 3 indices. Why? So that I can have more control, more analyzed results. Yesterday was 50 index, today was 25 index, and I did 2 trades. So I need you to understand it is step by step. So can you continue to do this for yourself? Yes, you can do this for yourself. Do this. I'm going to try to see if I can project the first week so that you see how it is. It's always trainers trying to cover everything. It's slow and steady. And then I'll be able, you may be wondering, but you've made $38. You are withdrawing over $100. Yes, I told you before now, I have robots trading for me, making profits. The same trade I am doing, robot is doing it as well. Are you with me? So I'm not just the only one trading. You can see signal coming from my app. I'm not just the only one trading. You have to follow a plan. It's a business, and you have to treat it as one. So don't come to trading and think, you want to make $1 million. You want to make more than $1 million, and you feel like you will just do anything. This is a 6-month plan. 6-month plan. And I can tell you the projection in 6 months. What am I looking at? 13 million. It's slow and steady. And what am I starting with? $300. And I'm staking every day. The projections are all there. Everything I need to know, everything I need to have, they are all there. They've all been made. So I'm only following the plan. Why am I showing you the plan? So that you have an idea. I'm not just running and doing the things. I'm not just trading anyhow. There is a picture I'm looking at. And the same thing applies for you, okay? Slow, steady. Anybody can do it, but not everybody. Once you have the discipline to learn the process, you will make it work. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video.